Welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to enable audio player notifications on Google Drive. If you often use Google Drive to play audio files, this setting will make sure you never miss a beat by showing you useful controls right on your device's notification panel. Let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is open your phone's settings. This is where you'll find all the controls for your apps and notifications. Scroll until you see the option labeled Apps, then tap on it. Next, you'll need to find Google Drive in the list of apps. Depending on how many apps you have installed, you may need to do a quick search or scroll down a bit. Once you see Google Drive, tap on it to open its dedicated settings. Inside the app settings, you're going to see several different options. Go ahead and tap on Notifications. This section manages all the alerts and notifications the app is able to send. From here, the goal is to make sure audio player alerts are enabled. Now tap on Notification Categories. This is where you'll find the different types of notifications that Google Drive can display. You'll notice categories for different features, but the one we're interested in is under the Other section. Under Other, look for Audio Player. This is the key setting that allows playback controls and alerts to appear whenever you're listening to audio files straight from Google Drive. Once you've found it, tap on it to open its settings. Finally, you'll see the option that says Allow Notifications. Simply toggle this switch on, and you're all set. From now on, anytime you play audio through Google Drive, you'll get helpful playback controls and notifications on your device. And that's it. Quick and easy. By turning on audio player notifications, you can manage playback without constantly keeping the app open. It saves time, keeps you in control, and makes listening from Google Drive much more convenient. Thanks for watching.